Hello and welcome what was to be the spring edition of On the Road with David Storto. But obviously I'm not on the road, I'm in my office. And it's not a regular on the road because we are going through a very difficult time in our history globally. And so it didn't seem appropriate to do an on the road in the typical way in which we've done it, although informative in a variety of ways, obviously intended to also have a lot of fun. And it's not as though fun should be prohibited now, but we thought that a more serious message should go out there. And so I want to start out by thanking all of you, the staff of Partners Healthcare at Home and the Spaulding Rehab Network, for all of the work that you have been doing through this pandemic that we are experiencing. In typical fashion, many of you have stepped to the plate in ways that just kind of go above and beyond what could ever be expected. And I'm so proud of all of the staff who have done so, and basically because we are aligned here in our commitments. Our commitment here is to do everything that we can to care for our patients in as safe a way as possible and to keep ourselves safe, all of our staff. And we are fortunate that we are part of a healthcare system that has also enabled us with a lot of personal protective equipment, a lot of intellectual capital to be able to know how to use that equipment. And so we are working with our colleagues across Partners to make sure that we're ready in ways that no other place within the country can possibly rival, by way of the full continuum of care that we've created and the capabilities that we are in the process of creating to care for COVID-19 positive patients. I know it's a scary time. I know there's a lot of anxiety. There's so much uncertainty about this vicious virus, but there is a lot that we do know, and I'm repeatedly trying to get people to understand that the most important thing we can do, we can't control what we can't control, but we need to focus on what it is we can do. And here you see me with a mask. I mean, we have been universally masking now for better than a week. And all of us have been practicing all of the social distancing, the hand hygiene, all of the types of things that really will make a difference in helping to flatten the curve. So I encourage you, in addition to all the care you're providing within your role in Partners Healthcare at Home or throughout the Spaulding Network, that outside of work, you also practice all of these safe measures, and that you encourage your loved ones, your family, your friends to do the same. Because together, if we all do what we need to do by way of the responsible behaviors, we will see this through in a much more expeditious way. So stay the course, stay safe, and thank you again for doing all you do for our patients.